Okay, this is a quick video on how to submit your homework on Milo. First thing you do is you go to your unit. This is Access 5, Module 2. My homeworks will all be in this area, Dropbox. If I click on Dropbox, it will give me a list of the available homeworks. The homework you want, you go to and you click, and then you should very carefully read the submission checklist or any instructions that you find here. Don't forget to check this. For example, this is telling you how to name your document. It's giving you some instructions on how to format your document. Always follow the instructions. But in today's case, I'm actually going to look at a very simple activity called paraphrasing practice. This does not have any particular instructions, so I can do whatever I want. Adding a file, so submit files, click here. Now I get this option to upload or to drag and drop. If I want to upload, I click here. It takes me to my computer. My file is on desktop, so I click on desktop, and there's the file I want. Click on that, open, and you can see that it's been added there. The other way that I can do it is drag and drop. Now off to the side here, you can see on my desktop is the file that I want. So I'm going to drag it over here and drop, and just as before, it will appear there. So how do you drag and drop? You hover over the file you want, you left click and hold it down. I'm still holding, and let go, and it disappears into the box here. And then I must click add, and there it is. Scan reading practice. That's what I want to submit. I just check that it's the right one, and then I go to submit here. Do not write anything in the comments box unless you want to explain why the file is late, or why your homework is late, or something about the homework you need to tell your teacher, but otherwise leave this blank. So actually I've already submitted this file, so I'm going to press cancel instead of submit. Just giving me a warning, don't submit. So here's the submission I did earlier. If I want to view the submission, I click on this and I comes to here. So I'll just do that again. You go to Dropbox, there's the list, I click on one submission, and there's the file I've submitted. And you can see that the report here is very, very highly plagiarized. I've done a terrible job here. So what's happened? What's gone wrong? What I do is I click on the report button. Now can you see that this, I can click on that because a hand has appeared. That means that's clickable, and I can read my document again, but that doesn't help me. What I want to do is I want to read the originality report. So this is what I click on. Click, and then we go to Turnitin.com. Here we are at Turnitin.com, and this is what Turnitin has found. Turnitin has found that all of this in red, every single thing except for one or two words like this, has actually been cut and pasted from a source by Helen Joy Benzie. So I could look at this source and find out what publication it was, but probably I've cheated and I've cut and pasted this, and I know exactly where that is because I've just cheated from it. So this is the kind of thing you want to avoid. If you have a lot of highlighting on your document, it's not acceptable. If your percentage is above about 20%, then you must think about submitting it again with a rewrite. In most cases, however, it's too late. Once you have submitted to Dropbox, the first submission will be counted, and so if this was my submission, I would probably get 0%, and I would be in big trouble. So how can I check this before submitting it finally? What you need to do is you need to go to Academic Honesty. Academic Honesty allows you to submit to a comparison upload service. You submit your document here, and when you submit it you get a report, but this time the report is for you only, and your report does not go to your teacher. So you can check to see if it's cheating or not before you submit your homework. Okay? Good luck. Bye.